Hello guys, so this is the third unit of first video. That is, what is the third unit? Inheritance, interface and packages. So what are the unit outcomes of this unit? Types of inheritance and what is the difference between overloading and overriding, and develop the programs using interface, and how to create packages, create user defined packages, and how to add a class and interface to the package. We'll see the what is interface and all this. Now, total weightage of this chapter is 12 marks. The inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. It is important part of OOPS, that is Object Oriented Programming System. The idea behind in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon the existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse the methods and fields of the parent class. Moreover, you can add a new methods and fields in your current class. Got the idea? What is inheritance? Inheritance is used to create a classes. That class can inherit the parent class variables, methods, as well as its own variables and methods. Why we use inheritance in Java? For more method overloading and code reusability, you are using this inheritance. So what are the terms in the inheritance? So a class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or a blueprint from which objects are created. And subclass or the child class, both are same. Subclass is a class which inherits the other class. It is also called derived class, extended class or child class. Next word is superclass or a parent class. Parent class is a class from which where a subclass inherits the features. It is also called as base class or a parent class. Reusability, as the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the fields and the methods of the existing class when you create a new class. You can use the same fields and the methods already defined in the previous class. Is it clear? Next, what is the syntax of Java inheritance? Class, first you have to mention class and you have to write the subclass name, extend superclass name, and you have to mention the methods and the variables of that subclass. The extends keyword is used indicates that you are making a new class that derives from the existing class. The meaning of extends is to increase the functionality. For the inheritance, we are using this extends keyword. In the terminology of Java, a class which is inheritance is called the parent or the superclass, and the new class is called the child class or the subclass. Is it clear? What is the syntax? Class name, extend superclass. So here example is there. So employee is a superclass and this programmer is a subclass. So what is the variable in this one? Employee, salary is there, data type is float. That is class employee, float, salary you are mentioning here. And here class programmer extends employee. So this is a programmer is a what? It is a subclass and employee is a parent class. And this programmer class is having its own variable, that is what? Bonus. What is the data type here? Integer. And here you are create the object of the subclass. Always in the inheritance you are supposed to create the object of the child class. Since child class is having its own variables as well as superclass variables and the methods. That's why you are supposed to create the object of the subclass. So the programmer is a subclass. Programmer P equals new programmer. And then here system.out.println to print this one. We are using P dot salary. Using this object, we are printing this variable of the superclass variable and as well as the subclass variable. Is it clear? So this is what the example of inheritance. Simple example. Next, we will see the types of inheritance in Java. On the basis of the class, there are three types of inheritance in Java. Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. In Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through the interface. We will learn about the interfaces later. Is it clear? So on the basis of the class, inheritance is divided into three types. One is single inheritance, that it means only one superclass. Multi-level inheritance means what? This class is having more than one levels, and hierarchical class means one class is having two or more subclasses. And when one class inherits multiple classes, it is known as multiple inheritance. So here, class C is a child class. This class is having more than one superclass. It is called multiple inheritance. Java does not support the multiple inheritance. For that, we are using interfaces. Is it clear? Next, single inheritance example. When a class inherits another class, it is known as a single inheritance. In the example given below, this dog class is there that inherits the animal class. So there is a single inheritance. Class animal is there. So here we are having one method, that is eat method. Here system.out.println eating, and then class dog extends animal. So extend is a keyword for the inheritance. So that class inherits from the animal. Animal is a superclass and dog is a subclass. And we are making the one more class, and in that we are having main method. We are creating the object of the subclass. Dog is a subclass. And using this object, we are calling the superclass method as well as this subclass method. So d dot bark and d dot eat. Bark के अंदर क्या है? So here that is present in system barking. That is present in the dog class, and in this eat we are eating. So both are here with the example. Practically we will see this. What is the class name? So here, so see here one program is having more than one class. The class which is having the main method, that name you are supposed to give that. What is the main method class? Test inheritance. Is it clear? So we'll go to this test inheritance. Test inheritance. Yeah. So test inheritance. So barking and eating, both the class methods were called here. Is it clear? So this is a simple example of single inheritance. And next, multi-level inheritance. When there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as multi-level inheritance. As you've seen that the example given below, baby dog class inherits the dog class, which is again inheritance animal class. So there is a multi-level inheritance. Is it clear? So in multi-level inheritance, you are having inherit the class which again inherits one more class. So what is the name of the test inheritance 2 class? So we'll see that test inheritance. I'll change the name only there. Test inheritance 2. So see, weeping, barking, eating. So here in this program, test inheritance, how to open this? Open. So click on this all files. So that will be test inheritance 2. Don't open the class file, it won't open. So you open Java file. Here class animal is there. In this class we are having one method, that is eat method, and next class dog extends animal class. In this we are having the bark, and one more class, that is a class baby dog extends dog. Is it clear? Extends dog. And in this baby we are having this whip method. So this baby dog is having the superclass dog, dog is having the superclass animal. So which object you are supposed to create? Baby dog, because it is the subclass of all the classes. It inherits the method present in the above this class and this one, and also the animal class. So that's why you are creating the object of the baby dog and did a VP of first call. That's why weeping, printing, barking, and then eating. Is it clear? So next we'll see that hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance in Java, when more than one classes inherits the same class, then it is called as hierarchical inheritance. For example, B, C and D extends the same class. See here, subclass B, C, D is having only one superclass, that is A. So for this is called the hierarchical inheritance. As you see the above example, when a class that has more than one child classes, or in other words more than one child classes have a same parent class, and it is called the hierarchical inheritance. We'll see the example, that is class A is there. In this class the method A is there, and again class B is there, that is also having extends A class only. So here method B is there, class C is there, that extends A method only, and class D is there, extends A method only. For this B, C, D, only one superclass, that is A. And this Java example, you are having object of B, C, D. You have to create the object of all the three classes, and you are calling the method object one method A you are calling using through this object one only, and then method A calling using object 2 only, and object 3 also we are calling method A only. Is it clear? So what is the example name? Java example. So we'll see that Java example. Java example is method of the class A, method of the class A, and method of the class B. So file, open. So click on this all files, and then the which method, that is Java example. Java example, there are the two class, one class file and one Java file. Open this. So A class, B class is having the same superclass, C is having the class A only, D is having the method A only. Using all the objects, you are supposed to create the object of all the three classes, and calling this same method A only you are calling. Is it clear? That is what hierarchical inheritance. So in this video, method overloading is also there. We'll see in next video because